Now we're going to go ahead and look at the second way you can apply an effect to your clips. Now the second way involves using adjustment layer. Now what you'll do is you'll select your project panel, so ensure that it's highlighted, then head over to File, New, and then Adjustment Layer. Click OK, and you can see it's been added. So here is your adjustment layer. What I'll do is I'll just click on it, select it, click and drag it and just place it at the top over here. So right now it won't have any effects on your video. Now we want to add our effects, your video effect, to the adjustment layer. So what I'll do is select it, then head over to effects. Let's still add the 𝐾𝐲𝐻+, so I'll just click and drag and drop it on top of it. So you can see the effect is highlighted, so that means you've added an effect to it. Then I'll head over to effects control, 𝐾𝐲𝐻+, it's at 0, so let's add to it. Then that's okay. Now I want you to see the transition. You can see the beginning don't have any blur, but as anywhere we have the clip art, it will show the effect on your clip. There's a transition, you can see. This comes in really handy especially when you want to have the effect over a large area and you want to keep on adding effects to each and every clip. So what you'll do, you'll just extend it like I've done, and then you can see the blur will extend over that area. Again, you can always come back here and just add to it, play around with it, make changes on anything. Now, one downside of having an adjustment layer is that any scaling that you will do to it won't affect the other clips. So just you invite just leave it as it is, just add your effect and then just position it where you want it, where you want the effect to be. You can resize it. You can actually make duplicates and just place them around, but this makes it much easier for you to add effects to your MIDI clips, especially if you're working with a lot of MIDI clips.